So I have taken 16 cards and I will arrange them in rows, in 4 rows. Now choose one card. You have to choose one card, and after that, you have to tell the row. You don't have to tell the card. You have to tell the row in vertical way.
Okay.
Okay. So choose.
I will keep in my mind my card.
Yeah, you have to keep.
Okay. In this row, second row.
Okay. So. And now you have to again tell that in which row your card is, but don't tell the card.
Okay. In third row, in this
Third row. Okay. So now I will again pick up the cards.
आपको क्या लगता है पावनी बता पाएगी? Let us see.
मैं तो बता ही दूंगी. The game. This. Okay. So I will remove the opposite ones. This one? Okay. I will remove opposite. This or this? This. Okay, this one only. This or this? This one. What's your card? Tell me.
Club of 4.
4 club C.
Woo!
I have the same card.
Yay!
So the first step is that we have to arrange the cards in this order. We have to put all the cards in 4 rows, and each row has to be 4 cards. Okay, so now ask second player to choose any card, but tell them to don't tell you that what's the card. Just tell the card is in which row. They have to tell the row in vertical.
Okay.
So Mama, please tell that what's your card.
In fourth row. This one.
4th row.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to pick these all cards, but not in any way. I am going to pick the first card from the 4th row because my mama's card in 4th row. So first card I have picked from 4th card, and then you can pick 4 cards from any other row.
We can collect the card from first row.
Yeah, with any row.
Okay.
Okay, so then I'm picking up again the card from that row which the second player has its cards. So now from any row you can pick up. I am picking from first row, and again from the 4th row, and then from any other row, and the one card only left, so picking up this. So we have to put these all cards in this way. This
Horizontally.
way. Not in vertical. We
Okay.
don't have to put like this. We have to put it like this. Okay. So put it and ask the second player again to say them's card.
In which row? I
Yeah.
tell you.
Yeah.
In third row.
In 3rd row?
Yes, this one.
Okay. So I have picked up my mama's card. Now tell me What's your card?
My card is Club of 10.
See, I have the same card.
Oh,
Here only I guess that what's the second player card, because that diagonally the second player's card will be only diagonally. This one,
Okay.
this one, this one, or this one.
okay.
So
Because of my card in the third row, that's why you pick this
yeah,
one. Okay.
the cards places here. So my mama's tell that her card is here. So in the third row, the 10th.
Okay.
The 10 card is there in diagonal. Okay, so for make this trick more tricky, we can do one more trick in this trick, that pick up all the cards, but remember the card where you have picked up. So I am picking that card in last so that I can remember. You can pick up in first also and in last also,
Okay.
and second last also, but you have to remember it. So I have put it in the last, and I am arranging it like this. So this is the card.
Okay.
Now tell me which pair I have to remove. Two pairs, this or this.
This one.
This one.
This one. Yes.
Okay. So now I am removing it. But if your second player tells that I want to remove this, so you know that your second player's card is here, so I can't remove this. So then also you can remove this and say that it's my trick. Okay, so then again this or this.
This one.
This one.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm removing it. And in this also you can remove the opposite side also, but this card is in this, so I am removing the other one. This or this?
This one. Both.
This one.
Yes.
Oh no, it's the card, so I am removing the opposite sides of the card. Okay, so this or this?
This one.
This one?
Not.
This
Yes.
one. Okay, so this is the card, I can't remove this, so removing the other one. So it's 10 club.
Yay! Yes, this is my card.